Hello my Monarchs! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did these beauties, continue on watching. I have my SAVILAND nail kit I got from Amazon. I'll be leaving the link down below. I got my nail tips pre-measured. I will be using my electric nail filer to file them down. In my opinion, like I always say, it helps on to stay longer onto your actual nails. After that, I will be filing the sides down to fit my nails a bit better. Now, only thing left is to file down my actual nails. Using the nail glue the kit came with, as well as the UV lamp. Starting off with my thumb, I'm applying a good layer, not too thin or thick, of glue onto nail tip. Placing onto nail, making sure the nail tip is straight and cure under UV lamp. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to my other nails. These are the nail tips only before any filing down, using the nail tip cutter to cut them down to my desired length. I will be filing down the sides and also the top because I be cutting my tips kind of crooked sometimes. I love buffing the nails, it's so satisfying, and it also helps to have a smooth surface for your nail polish. I will be using Shiru number 30 from Sally Hansen Mega Strength. I will be applying that nail polish to my pinky, ring, and thumb finger. Next color I'm using is called Bare It All number 169 from Sally Hansen Extreme Wear. I will be applying that to my middle and pointer finger. For the daisies, I'm using a white nail polish as well with this dotting tool using the smallest size. Doing 5 petals or circles for each flower, which I will be doing 3 in each finger. For the center of them, I didn't have yellow nail polish, but I did have paint. So I will be using that instead. I will be using this Kiss Gel Top Coat to use as a top coat. And of course, curing my nails after. Finishing off with my cuticle oil. And voila! These are the nails. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of them. Remember, I will be doing my giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers, so let me know what I should be giving away. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!